Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Rishu and I'm 28 years old. Although I'm a non-native ESL teacher from India, I'm quite fluent and I have a neutral accent because I've been living and traveling in different countries and English has been the only language for communication. I have around 4 years of tutoring and training experience. I hold a bachelor's and two master degrees. I'm a certified ESL teacher with certificates like TESOLs, TEFL, and TKT. I have taught students of all age groups from kindergarten to adults in countries like India and Vietnam. I'm energetic, friendly, and creative whenever I teach in my class. Currently, I've been teaching online with different companies. Apart from that, my hobbies are reading, cooking, singing, dancing, listening to music, and traveling. I've traveled to many different Asian countries like China, Vietnam, Thailand, South Korea, Singapore, and I like to meet new people and know about their culture. That's all about me, and I'm really looking forward to any teaching opportunities in Asia. So, thank you so much, and adios.